Good morning, mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, February 10th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating birthdays this week, we have today is Jordan Williams' birthday in 4th grade. On Tuesday, we have Zaymara and Estrella. And on Thursday, we have Axel's birthday in 1st grade. Hope you guys all have an amazing birthday week. Today, we're focusing on Rattlers being responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Again, today is Monday, and it is not a special uniform day, so make sure you are in your proper uniform with your shirt tucked in, and if you have a non-idea jacket on, to take it off and put it in your backpack. If you are missing your jacket, please check the lost and found. There are also some Academy jackets in the CP lost and found as well. Today is Monday, so make sure you go to homeroom for your academic block. We did a really great job the past 2 weeks of raising our ADA, so be sure every single day this week you are here on time, dressed appropriately for the weather, and that you're staying healthy by going to sleep at an early hour and you're eating healthy as well. If you look at the weather for this week, it's going to be pretty rainy today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, so make sure you're thinking about that when you're getting ready. And make sure that you're leaving a little bit early. And Thursday and Friday should be nice outside. We may have indoor recess, but we will update you as the day goes on. Remember that we have our raffle on Friday, and you have to be here every single day in order to qualify for the raffle. Today is the last day for Candy Grams. So if you would like to buy someone a little candygram for Valentine's Day, please see Miss Calvin and Miss Garza under the pavilion during recess only. Today is the last day. As we continue our celebration of Black History Month, we are going to focus in on, we are still talking about Black inventors. Today we're talking about the scientist George Washington Carver. He developed 300 different products from with things like peanuts and cheese and milk and flour, coffee, ink, dyes, plastics, stains, paints, soap, linoleum, medicine oils, and cosmetics. He was also the person that made peanut butter for the first time. However, there was another scientist that made it very smooth and more like the peanut butter that we see in stores and eat today. We have some exciting celebrations. Please raise your hand if your name is on this board because you are a math genius. We have a lot of 2nd graders and a 3rd grader. Congratulations. And we have a huge list of math masters. So please raise your hand if your name is on this list. And your homeroom should give you a round of applause for all of your hard work getting on the Math Masters list. So proud of all of you. Please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a magnificent Monday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message the ADA group me with any updates.